Yo, what is up? Welcome back to the channel, folks. Back with another break. We're going to be doing another mega box of Chronicles. Just got our order from Target. We broke one the other day. We're going to break this one now. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed that last video of the Chronicles. We got more coming. We got some hobby boxes coming. We got some 2021 Upper Deck Hockey MVP about to break. So, a lot of stuff coming. Got more autographs, more celebrities, you name it. We got it all. So, hopefully you guys are enjoying the channel. We are almost at 900, man. This is crazy. I can't believe it. So, anyways, here we go. Alright, give you guys a little breakdown. As always, 15 Revolution cards, 7 mega box exclusive, fractal parallels. We have a 10 card bonus pack of Blue Velocity and find one autograph. So let's get ripping. Hopefully we get a better autograph than we got in the last mega box, because that last one was not that great. This is who we got in our last mega box. Not happy about that. I don't know if I should even leave him out there. That might be bad luck. Yeah, get out of here, Brock Burke. All right. Here we go. 15 packs. Let's rock and roll. Dane Dunning Classics, Christian Yelich, Cody Bellinger Overdrive. We have a black of Dalton Varsho and a Sandy Koufax Revolution. You got my man Joey Bart. Okay, so Joey Bart once again has our auto. And then it's the same pack basically. Jonathan India, Overdrive, Nate Pearson, and Freddie Freeman. I think it changed a little bit. So, okay, come on Joey Bart. You gotta do me better than last time. No Brock Burke stuff, man. Mike Trout on the score. Cody Bellinger on the Legacy. Tatis Jr. Titan. Christian Yelich Zenith. And Jose Altuve on the Revolution. Non-fractal. So our last mega box, we didn't even get a numbered card. Nothing. Freddie Freeman. We have a Sam Huff Pinnacle. Shohei Titan. Tatis Jr. Certified, and Ian Anderson Fractal Revolution. Chef G. Jared Cole, Joey Bart, Timeless Treasures, Akil Badu Crusade, Hassan Kim XR, and Alex Bregman The Cheater. And that was a Revolution. Hassan Kim Chronicles, Rookies and Stars of Pete Alonso. We have a Phoenix of Dylan Carlson, Aaron Judge, All Rise, Donruss Elite, and a Belly Bombs Fractal Revolution, Cody Bellinger. Braxton Garrett Score, Logan Gilbert on the limited, Geraldo Perdomo Prism Crusade, Davey Garcia Titanium, and a Yadier Molina no, not fractal. That is just a regular Revolution. Javi Baez Chronicles, Ronald Acuna Jr. Timeless, Alec Bohm Phoenix, Giancarlo Stanton Donruss Elite, and Christian Yelich Fractal Revolution. Joe Adele Classics, Dylan Carlson Legacy, Dylan Carlson Overdrive Prism, Andrew Vaughn Zenith, and Taylor Walls Regular Revolution. Fernando Tatis Jr. Score, Kyle Isbell Rookies and Stars, Kohei Arihara Crusade, Louis Robert Golden Standard, not numbered, and a, what is it? Braylon Marquez Revolution. Looks like we have our thick pack here with our America's Pastime. So we have Ozzie Albies, Chronicles, Matt Chapman. We have Fernando Tatis Jr. for Phoenix, Ryan Sandberg for the Certified, and a Dylan Carlson. That is nice. Fractal Revolution. It's a good one. Yerman Mercedes Rookie Card Classics, a Timeless of Vladdy Guerrero Jr., Juan Soto for the Crusade, Alek Manoah, for Zenith, and Sixto Sanchez on the Revolution. Louis Robert Chronicles base, Rookies and Stars base of Fernando Tatis Jr., a Phoenix of Juan Soto, Josh Bell Donruss Elite, and a Fractal Revolution of Trevor Larnach. Larnach or Larnack? Not sure. I think it's Larnack. I've heard different pronunciations, so y'all tell me down in the comments. Ian Anderson Score, Sam Henkus Limited, Fernando Tatis Jr. Prism Crusade, Leody Taveras for XR, and Dalton Varsho Revolution. Jared Kelenic Chronicles base, Mike Trout Legacy, Jared Kelenic for Overdrive, Louis Robert, Lou Bob, Mr. Certified, and Tarek Skubal for the Fractal Revolution. One more regular pack. And then we're going to hit up our blue bonus pack. Mike Trout Classics, Daniel Lynch Pinnacle, Casey Mize Titan, Sixto Sanchez Titanium, and Tanner Houck Revolution non-fractal. Bonus pack. Hopefully it's better than the last one. Hassan King Titan, Yerman Mercedes on the Crusade. There we go. Beautiful Brian Hayes right there. That is nice. Brent Honeywell on the Overdrive. Jared Kelenic, beautiful Titan right there. Trevor Rogers Crusade. Chris Bryant, Phoenix. Pete Alonso Overdrive. Gleyber Torres Titan. And Corey Ray Crusade rookie card. So, our auto is going to be a mosaic. And that can be good. Alright, it's a rookie card though. But that means it's, I don't know. Come on, be good, man. Kyle Lewis. Kyle Lewis, rookie card, mosaic. Yeah, that's good. On-card auto. That's a pretty big hit right there, man. I kind of got bummed out because I knew it was last year's. What are they called? The Panini signatures, the authentic ones, right? That's the sticker. Buybacks. something like that. I forgot. But yeah, I got a little nervous because I was like, oh, it's gonna be a bum ass card, man. But Kyle Lewis right there, that's a huge hit. On card, rookie card, mosaic auto. Definitely pumped. That is cool, man. Wow. Okay. So as bad as the first one was with the Brock Burke, this one is awesome. I'm gonna sleeve it up right now, actually, as a matter of fact, and get that in a top loader, so we won't get any fingerprints on it or nothing like that. And with that said, stay tuned for our 3 hobby boxes that are coming. Hopefully we get some big bangers. There we go. Kyle Lewis on card auto to wrap it up for our mega box break. Awesome. Very happy about that. Listen, a lot of people don't find the value in the Chronicles and the unlicensed product. Some people do. It's all about your market, right? And who you cater to and how you feel about it. So for me, I feel like that Kyle Lewis is definitely worth a good amount of money. So looking forward to the 3 hobby boxes. Hopefully y'all join me for that. Everybody take care. That's a wrap.